What we do on the Science Advisory Board is we help review what IPAM has been doing. We review the proposals that come in for the various programs that people are proposing, whether they're short programs or long programs. Individuals can propose, and there's a process for that and standard forms for that. And so we read those proposals, and generally people are proposing to one type of program or another. Sometimes we'll downscale a long program proposal and ask them, actually maybe you should try a shorter proposal first. There's only so many we can fit in the year, and we're doing this out several years in advance. So we're typically looking for 2 long programs, one in the fall, one in the spring, and then a variety of shorter programs that occur in weeks in between those. Do they meet the mission of what IPAM is about? Are the ideas sound? Is it an exciting topic? Is it current? And are they thinking about how they're going to build this community and be attractive to a variety of individuals who will come together from across the country, across the world, in fact. We've seen a lot in material science, some very foundational things in really what's theoretical computer science. Obviously, everyone cares about AI and machine learning these days. You can't avoid that. And quantum's also big. There are actually some interesting work on things like information theory. Coming from a much more applied background, working at a national lab, I don't get to see what's going on in pure math as much. To see advances in algebraic theory or topology, things that ordinarily I wouldn't encounter in my day-to-day work. I've learned a lot about the geometric structure behind machine learning through a lot of these discussions and reviewing proposals. And that's one of the really cool things about IPAM. It allows that fertilization across disciplines.